boxes that I have this, but normally you still need to take out 2 frames and set them somewhere.
Oh.
Right, so you can maneuver here.
Yeah, I gotcha.
I mean, I guess you could do 1, but 2 works better. Okay, so this one, look. Okay, nectar, honey.
Yeah, nectar, honey on this side too.
Yeah.
No queen yet, huh?
We know that we have a queen because we've seen eggs. That's really important. They have food sources in here, that's important. And we didn't talk about looking for mites or anything like that, but
it's looking pretty good, so we're not noticing anything, right? That's
well,
bad necessarily.
I mean, you can look really tight on them and see if there's any deformed wings or
oh, I got you.
mites or something. So honey, and they have wax to build carefully to not smash a bee. And I push it all the way this way.
Oh, okay, so those 2 will be out of order, but they'll still be in the same.
Well, I'm going to push them back, yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
They'll be right exactly the way it was, which is important because the brood has to all be together so they can maintain its temperature. That's more important for them.
Whoa, that's a cool one. So that's capped honey and brood? No, really just capped honey.
This one has capped honey and bee bread. That's that kind of, I don't know if you can see it over there, but there's some on the side. It's not honey, it's not nectar. It's kind of a mixture they make pollen in. So there's not a lot of pollen I see in here. They're not getting pollen. So pollen's important because it's protein.
Oh, so they're not getting a lot of pollen right now.
I have not seen pollen in any of these.
Does that mean I have to feed them?
No, I think things are gonna be blooming soon. So the entrance is wrong in there. Let me set this over here. No, not set it right there for a second. I need to move that out. It was pushed in when we moved it. All right, it's supposed to be in like this. So there's a small entrance, there's a large entrance. I just have the large one open. This one is closed, but in the winter you need to just have a smaller entrance for some reason.
To keep the hive warmer.
No, I have this Roy's Bees is going that way. Yep, that's how I had it.
That's how I had it in this one.
Okay. So I'm just putting this one back in here. And then slide it all. Make sure they're touching. See how those darn bees. Try not to smash them, but so you go slow so they move out of the way. But it's important that they touch, so when you move the whole thing over, there's nothing on this frame.
It's a brand new frame.
I'm actually going to put this one on the outside.
Okay.
When we move it. So it's going to go there. I know that I checkerboarded these, that's why that's empty, but they didn't fill it in. So I always just do a quick glance when I pull it up just to see if I see a dot anywhere. I haven't seen any queen cells, so there wouldn't have been a new queen so far. And I know there's a queen in here, so I'm fully expecting a red dot. All right. Brood. It's funny, so most of the brood's in the top box. Brood meaning the ones in the either eggs or larvae or capped pupa. So usually she's with the brood, and there's.
Well, there's a drone. It looks like it's a huge drone.
I know. So tough. I don't think so. no dots. There's a lot of larvae in that top one. And fruit. I mean, capped fruit. Not this one. No sign of her in this one. When I get down to the end here, I'm like getting a little worried. I don't want to have to go through that box again. But we will if we have to. No, there's lots of capped brood. That's good here.
Mm-hmm. There we go. She's got to be somewhere down here.
Lots of capped brood. So that means these brood, they cap it at 7 to 8 days.
Okay.
So these were eggs at least 7 to 8 days ago. But there's also larvae in here that's, I'm so good. So if you want to move bees, blow on them.
Okay. Awesome. No.
See, there's larvae in there.
Oh, yeah.
Shiny. That's good. Okay, she's got to be on the next frame then.
Last frame.
That one's full of bees too. Sorry.
Where you at, Cersei?
Is that her name?
That's on Game of Thrones.
Yeah, I know. But if you want to name her Cersei, she's a nasty mom though. I wouldn't.
She's the evil queen. Let's name her Daenerys Storm.
Yeah, there you go. She's better. Powerful.
She's a badass.
Do you see a red dot over there?
Not on initial scan.
Here. I'm gonna flip it.
I see a cell over here that's bigger than a normal cell.
All right, let's see it.
This thing right here.
Yes, that is a queen cell.
Is it?
Yes. Let's see. It's not one that I don't believe has been used. Let's see what's in it. Nothing. It's completely empty. They'll make practice cells like that in case they need to make a queen. So they have not made a queen. That's for sure. She's got to be here.
Okay. We just missed her.
Like sometimes the marking comes off. So if you're expecting to look for, just see a dot, then you might miss her because you're just looking for the dot. She could be on the wall too. Saw eggs, so she's been here within 3 days. Sometimes they like hide in certain spots. Nice. I bet she's in the other box and we just missed her because that's where I saw the eggs. No, they are.
Is this?
Okay, show me.
Maybe a small queen?
No. Should not be a small queen. Now we go again. If we don't find her, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 frames. You gotta have 10. So now that these are all there, I'm pushing it. I'm gonna put this in.
Okay.
Carefully. Since I'm gonna put that box on top, I do this to get them out of the way.
Okay.
So we smash as few bees as possible. That's another good thing for having smoke. Let's look on here. I don't see anyone. Okay. So, carefully, so as not to upset the bees. All right, so if we had found the queen, we would have been done. But we didn't, so.
Okay.
And
Oh, here she is.
praise the Lord. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Hi, we miss you.
Hi, queen.
Isn't that the most beautiful sight you've ever seen?
I gotta get her now. Yeah. Got the queen. You see her right there? The red dot. There's my little queen.
You're really just dealing with one frame down there.
Yep.
Well, 2 really. Just together. Slow. Put these guys back in. And that was a successful inspection. So now we just even out the spacing. Like that. Knowing full well that the queen is right there and we don't want to squish her. So
Yeah.
I think that looks good.
Okay. Sweet.
No, these bees are still on here. So I'm gonna tap them in. Without. If you had a brush, you could brush them off. But we're gonna just leave this here and they will make their way over.
Oh, okay, cool.
And put the lid on. It's called the inner cover. Very carefully. Kind of like put it down and lift it up a little. They're very healthy. I didn't see pollen, so you know that's what we're gonna pay attention to the next time.
Okay.
There should be, I know that the monsoons bring a lot of blooming plants, so there should be pollen.
Yeah, I planted a whole bunch of flowers too recently.
Awesome. So yeah, they should be getting pollen. Sunflowers, I mean, you could totally line this with sunflowers and you'd have so much pollen.
Okay, I'm gonna do
Sunflowers
that.
can grow almost all year round. So you can plant them like 2 seeds every week or something.
I will.